And that shit doesn't happen in real life. I tried to have a love triangle before. Hello, it's Shamar and I'm back with another video. This video is going to be a little different. I'm sorry. I feel like the lighting looks so crazy. This looks so bright. I don't know what's going on. Hello, it's Shamar and I'm back with another video. Sorry, I was reading a message. But I'm back with another video. Today it's gonna be a little different. I love Grey's Anatomy. I wouldn't say love. Maybe, I don't know. I've been watching it though. And the new season came out, season 16. So I want to start a little series on it. Each episode, if I feel like this video is too short, then I'll do 2 episodes at a time. So the first episode came on this Thursday. And I also have some food with me here. And I'm going to tell y'all about my struggles getting this food first. So here goes some shrimp. This doesn't even look appetizing. I'm sorry. And I have some little macaroni and some dirty rice. So I originally was trying to go to this one place, but they closed early, which really pissed me off. And I was told that they were only doing online orders. I mean, yeah, online orders or orders that were clocked in. This shrimp is actually pretty good. But I had been trying to call them for like an hour and a half to place an order, and it kept saying busy. So I'm like, I didn't drive down here for nothing. So I decided to go next door to a place next door. They had me waiting for forever. I ordered me a little drink. And it took them like 30 minutes just to give me my drink while waiting for my food, which they, by the way, should have gave me for free. The macaroni could use some salt. It tastes so sweet. That's good. One second. I need some salt for this. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I got my little seasoning for this sweet macaroni. It's pissing me off. So I'm really upset. I don't want Owen and Teddy to be together. I don't know about any of you, but I personally do not. And then at the end of the last season, Karasik was setting up all that baby stuff for Teddy, and she wanted to be in labor, saying how much she loves Owen. That hurt my feelings so much. And he's talking about, I'll wait for you, because I know it's not going to work out. Stuff doesn't happen like that in real life. I tried to have a love triangle before, and that did not happen at all. These people in Grey's Anatomy just are always okay with it. And that shit doesn't happen in real life. But I hope Teddy and Owen don't work out. Because I don't want them to be together. I really had liked Owen and Amelia together. And Teddy Karasik, they weren't that bad. And who's going out the way for you? Or you're pregnant with somebody else's baby. I feel like I'm sorry, like I said, I had a drink earlier and I didn't really eat today, so I having a little hard time keeping my train of thought. I'm so hungry. But I'm happy Joe's back together and went through therapy because she was kind of starting to stress me out. And I already knew Alex was going to just leave her. And she was like, you can leave. I knew he wasn't going to do that. It's a little hot. I kind of had thought on this episode everybody was going to get their jobs back. But, ooh, boy, was I wrong. Only DeLuca got his job. Everyone else still fired. I feel like Catherine should not be that mad that Richard went and applied for a hospital at another job. Like, was he still supposed to just be taking those house calls? No, he's a surgeon. And you want him just to be taking doctor's visits to the house? You weren't trying to get him his job back. So he went and applied somewhere else. And I feel like she shouldn't be mad at that. I get that the hospital is kind of like part of it is funded by her. But, look. That job wasn't working through the app. And that dog was pissing me off. And that little girl pissed me off throwing up on Richard. And also, Amelia's pregnant. I don't want her to be pregnant by that guy. I don't even remember what his name is. I don't want her to be pregnant. It was funny though when she was trying to get DeLuca's sister, because I can't remember her name either. She's not on the show that often. To join in on a threesome with her and her dude. She was like, yeah. The other doctor. I noticed your breasts have been seeming a little full, and she thought she was trying to hit on her. Like, Amelia, are you really that dinky? No, this woman's not trying to hit on you. I also feel like Gray should go ahead and cuss them parents out. Well, that one lady out. For trying to go around telling her business that she's on probation or having to do community service. Like, that is none of them people's business, and you out here gossiping. That's why she didn't want to volunteer at that school anyway. And I'm happy that Jackson and what's that girl's name? Maggie broke up, because I always thought their relationship was weird anyway. Their dad, sorry, not their dads, but their mom and dad are married. So you're technically step siblings. Excuse me. Like, I know they didn't grow up together or anything like that, but still, that's weird. And they're both grown, but it's weird. Like, really weird. So I'm glad that's over with. Maggie's very annoying. Super annoying. And it hurts me to say. Because no. She's one of the few black girls on there. But she's so damn annoying. Like, with a major role. She's so annoying. Also, let me know, did y'all think that was weird that they were dating? Or is it just me? It may just be me, but I think that's weird. You should not be dating your step-sibling. Ooh. Ooh. And then they were saying they might suspend Grey's and that. Oh, shoot. Grey's medical license. I don't really think that's going to happen. Because it shows about her. And doing surgery and stuff. So how can they suspend her license? If they do, I'm going to be very shocked. But I just don't believe that they are. Just maybe draw it out. Make it a little stressful. But I think by the end of next episode 2 or episode 3, she's definitely going to have him back and working somewhere. Whether it's back at Grey's Salon, since she does own some of it, which is really messed up. How are you going to fire her? And she owns some of the hospital. Ain't going to fire her? Anyways, beside the point. So she might start working there, or the other hospital, Richard and Karev, who are trying to work at. Excuse me. I think that's basically all that happened in that episode. That's what I was saying. I think I might do 2 episodes at a time. But I don't know. We'll see how this video goes and how you guys like it. Let me know if you want me to do 2 at a time, 2 episodes at a time, or just do it weekly. And as always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I wish you nothing but good luck and blessings. Bye.
Sweet, salty, spicy, sweet, sweet, salty.